係玩雅達利電視遊戲嘅喎，正十幾鐘我都甩過去㗎。爹哋好輸咗啦！
我哋好講體育精神嘅吓。雅達利多新招，好玩到扎扎跳。
Okay, it's Christmas time. Christmas time, Christmas time. People were talking about shit underneath their Christmas trees, and there's certain things. Someone said they got bowling, so we're going to do bowling. Why not? So, 1979... designer Larry Kaplan. I'm not a bowling kind of person, but never played it. Let's figure it out. As usual, I always check the prices. $3.99. We're going to the barrel of the bucket here, but it's Christmas, and I apologize. The last person said, I don't know, it was the Christmas thing. He was talking about a different game, Frogs and Flies or whatever, the other one I did. But, just some bowling. $3.99. $3.99. $5. I don't know. This is just a package deal. Never played it, never done it. I want to make a strike, though. I want to make a strike for Christmas. So let's play this son of... Yeah. Okay, let's try some bowling. I'm going to try and get a strike for my holiday Christmas. So... And I apologize, I've had a lot of holiday cheer tonight, so it is what it is. Game on! Give me a strike. I got one. I need to get him. Wait, no. It's not an emulator, so it's weird. Why can't I get a strike? No. Come on. Can I get a spare? At least a spare would be cool. I got a spare. Yay me. I think I should have ended that. But I want a strike. No. Okay, another... Yeah, I'm gonna do one more and get it over. Oh, I got another spray. Okay, that's it for me. Merry Christmas, guys. Blah.